Greetings everyone, as you know, artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly. Whether it's text editing, generating voices, creating photos, or producing films, AI seems to be capable of it all. But joking aside, artificial intelligence can indeed accomplish many things. Now we can finally find out the answer to that. What's that? Of course, whether AI can do AI. Jensen Huang caused quite a stir recently when he said, "Don't learn to code." He mentioned that AI would handle these tasks anyway, so people should specialize in other areas. Developers were already using AI as assistants in various ways. However, humans were still considered an important factor. That's why many people disagreed with Huang. But guess what? It didn't take even a month for what Huang said to materialize. Before a month had passed since Huang's remarks, it happened. Devin AI emerged as the world's first autonomous artificial intelligence programmer. We're talking about someone who passes engineering interviews from leading AI companies, often takes freelance jobs from platforms like Upwork where developers usually work, and completes them. An AI programmer of artificial intelligence sounds odd, doesn't it? But its implications are enormous. Some may view it as a demo of artificial general intelligence, the beginning of the end, and, of course, one of the most advanced examples of AI agents. We might call it an AI guide, providing consultancy and guidance. Anyway, let's talk about Devin AI and its repercussions without further delay. Devin is a program that operates with its own shell, an operating system, used to input commands and execute them. It has its own code editor and web browser, using them in an integrated manner to autonomously solve engineering problems. Even this description alone hints at the possibilities. But if you like, let's examine the demos released by Devin's developer, Cognition, together. You will see things that were previously not quite possible. In the first demo, Devin asks the user to compare different providers of APIs known as the interfaces that allow communication between different software programs using the AI model Llama 2 for text. Devin takes the lead, outlining step by step what it will do, how it will proceed, providing us with a roadmap. It mentions reading technical documentation of the required API providers, sending requests to each using Python, performing speed and accuracy analysis to compare performances, testing the code it writes, and documenting the code for performance comparison along with this process. Everything goes according to plan, and Devin gets to work. But then, a bug appears in the code. It's a place where all models, including ChatGPT until that day, stumbled. But Devin fixes this error on its own, debugging it itself. It sees the mistake, corrects it, no need for you. Then, just to show the results, you know what it does? It designs a web page, presenting the results with visuals and graphs for easier understanding, provides a link, and says it's done, delivered. How does it manage all this? But it's not like that. It's not just an assistant. You're facing a full-time software developer. Are we all out of a job? Of course, it's a joke. But there's some truth beneath every joke. But this isn't a doomsday scenario, don't worry. At least for those who are aware, this is a major revolution, a huge opportunity. Yes, it's bad news for some people. Who are they? I'll talk about them shortly. We can also compare it with other models. What we see here is, some might remember me saying this before, it's not about a single AI model that can do everything, but we'll encounter many advanced models capable of specific tasks. So, it's not a single Skynet, but rather, we'll see AI agents developed specifically for various sectors and aspects of life. The real things we'll see may not be as advanced as a sophisticated AI agent like Devin, or even more advanced ones creating photos or videos. But when it comes to software engineering performance, look, how does it fare against the most advanced models? That's right, initial impressions. Even these initial impressions are revolutionary, aren't they? Some of the most striking developments include self-debugging and managing the whole process step by step after planning. There's something here that breaks down big problems into smaller parts. We're talking about an advanced mental process here. It's exactly what a skilled professional does in many fields. There's something here that can do the work that companies invest hundreds of thousands of dollars in individuals or departments do in just a few minutes. Of course, the repercussions will be according to that. So, what will happen to those working in this field, to developers? Will they cease to exist? Your attitude here is crucial. You can see this as a source of fear and concern, or an opportunity because Devin opens a door even for those who are experts in this field. Actually, when you consider that very few people are truly advanced, high-level programmers, Devin helps you specialize. Yes, it opens a door for everyone, but if you already have expertise in this field and know how to turn it into an opportunity, you can actually increase both your own and your income. Let's say you work in other fields. Suppose you're a researcher. For example, with an AI guide you create using such a tool, you can conduct research even while you sleep, reporting it to you as desired, tireless. You need to think about how you can turn it into an opportunity. The world is changing. By the way, the cognition company that builds on this belief that the world will change with it has emerged as a new major player. A new character has been introduced, and you may witness the rise of a company that nobody had heard of just a few days ago, with only a few hundred followers on Twitter, for example. We've learned that they've received over $20 million in investment. Of course, more money will be poured into this company. And of course, just the other day, Ray Kurzweil said in an interview that general artificial intelligence will come in 2029. Elon Musk said models will be smarter than a human within a few months, and by 2029, they'll surpass the total intelligence of all humanity. That's it. So, what do you think? If you enjoy these kinds of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day!